Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can post a scheduled post on your Facebook page. So the first thing is to simply open your Facebook application. Make sure that you are logged into your Facebook page just like this. And after doing that, now create a post by simply tapping on this create button right here. After doing that, what do you want to create? Story, reel or live, you can do that. Or you can simply tap on what's on your mind just like this. And then you can write your status or you can simply create your post. So after doing that, here you can see I have created my post. Tap on next button on the top right corner right here. So after doing that, here you'll get the option of scheduling options. So if you simply tap on this button, here you can get the option of schedule for later. Tap on it. And then from here, you can now schedule when you want your post to be posted. So for now, I'm just going to select today's 5 p.m. timing. And then from here, you can tap on the save option right here. So after doing that, you can tap on this back button and go back. And here you can see you have now successfully scheduled your post. All you have to do is tap on this button, schedule like this. Here you can see it is now being posting. And you have now successfully posted your scheduled post on your Facebook page. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.